Hi there! Here is a simple way to style your long hair with a Carlin. To use a Carlin, insert your hair through the center. Slide the Carlin down. Then roll it up. Once your hair is rolled up, twist each end to tighten the hold. Then simply just wrap to secure it. No bobby pins is required. One accessory and you're done. Beautiful updo hairstyle in a few seconds. And here comes the best part. Remove the Carlin and enjoy heatless curls. Heatless hairstyling equals healthy hair. Now, styling your long hair is easier than ever.